This is baby Luca. He's an Aussiedoodle. The secret and s'mores, baby. What are you doing? Huh? Huh? Is that Luca? Is that the Luca? Huh? Is that the Luca? Huh? You're gonna give kisses? Yes. Hey, I'm a little lover. I'm a lover. Huh? Oh. Yep. We've been playing a lot this morning. Show them. Yep. Say I'm a red phantom, Aussiedoodle. I will be getting copper in. I'm already starting to show a little bit of copper starting to come out on my legs. And I'll get some on my face here, by my cheeks. I'll just be a handsome little guy. Yep. Say my mama and daddy are secret and s'mores. I'm a happy baby. I'm a very good boy. I love my cuddle time. Yes. Yes. Huh. Yep. Show them you got your tail. Yes. I got my tail. And I got white on the tip of my tail. Looks like I've been playing in the paint can. Yes. Looks like I've been playing in the paint can. Yes. Hmm? You're a good boy. I'm a good boy. Yes, I am. Is that Luca? Is that Luca? Huh? Yes. I love you too, baby boy. Huh? Yes. See, I am such a good boy. Yes. Yes. The handsome boy. This is my handsome boy. His beautiful markings. Beautiful. Say bye-bye.